Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamthamang. Today I bring for you all chicken momo recipe. Please do watch video until the end. Follow the ingredients and instructions. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe to eat your own. धेरै धन्यवाद सबैजनालाई। आज पनि तपाईँहरूमा आजमा मैले चिकन मोमोको रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु। हजुरहरूले यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर आफ्नो घर परिवारसँग पनि इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, साथसाथै आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्र पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त। An authentic style chicken momo recipe Nepali Tibetan style with a soft wrapper, juicy filling, and proper folding method suitable for home, restaurant, and commercial use. Chicken momo recipe yield about 25 to 30 momo. Ingredients: momo dough wrapper, maida all-purpose flour 300 grams, salt half teaspoon, water 150 to 170 ml as needed. Method: mix flour and salt. Add water gradually, kind to frame smooth dough. Cover and rest 20 to 30 minutes. Chicken momo filling. Minced chicken thigh is preferred 500 gram. Onion very finely chopped 80 gram. Garlic minced 1 tablespoon. Ginger paste 1 tablespoon. Chili, green chili is optional 1 tablespoon. Spring onion green part chopped 2 tablespoon. Soya sauce 1.5 tablespoon. Coriander leaves chopped 2 tablespoon. Salt to taste. White pepper and black pepper half teaspoon. Sesame oil 1 tablespoon. Chicken stock or water 2 to 3 tablespoon for the juiciness is the secret of the recipe. Method: mix it. Fill ingredients well. Stir in one direction for 2 to 3 minutes. Helps binding. Rest filling 10 minutes for chilled. Momo shaping. Roll dough into thin circle 8 to 9 cm. Place 1 tablespoon filling in center. Peeled edge and sealed. Keep covered to avoid drying. Cooking method: steaming. Grease steamer plate lightly. Steam momos 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat. Momos should look glossy and firm. Momos chutney quick variation. Tomatoes 2 blanch. Dry chilies 4. Garlic 4 cloves. Ginger 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Sesame oil 1 teaspoon. Blend all the ingredients or core paste. Thank you very much, everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look. Many more recipes are there and many more posts are there. If you have any concern, do not hesitate send to me message or comment any of my post. धेरै धन्यवाद सबैजनालाई। जहिले पनि तपाईँहरू चाहिँ मेरो प्रोफाइलमा भिजिट गरौँला। त्यहाँ धेरै किसिमका रेसिपीहरू, पोस्टहरू, विभिन्न किसिमका एक्टिभिटिजहरू भइरहेको हुन्छ। तपाईँहरूले फलो गरेर आफ्नो घर परिवारसँग इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ, साथसाथै आफ्नो बिजनेसमा पनि, कमर्सियल किचनमा पनि युज गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। एकदम महत्त्वपूर्ण ट्रिकहरू चाहिँ मैले हालिरहेको हुन्छु।